Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sipin Matre, and today I'm going to unbox Whispers of Lord Ganesha. This is from Angela Hartfield. It is Blue Angel Publishing. The artwork you can see clearly. Alright, I will not pronounce the name because I don't want to mispronounce it. And this particular deck I've got from Amazon, and it's from the Books Wagon. I think that's the store's name, the seller's name, and it arrived in a perfect condition. You also get it on the App Store. It comes in a very sturdy box, all right, which is good for storage. There's also a book with it which has got the meanings of the cards, then how to use the cards, the spreads and all. And you can also write notes at the end. Lovely. Now let's see the cards. I did remove the plastic from this particular cards. Now let's see the back is pretty beautiful. You have Ganesha meditating. The thickness is also good enough. The size is also great. Now let's see the cards. Beginnings. Wow, this is so beautiful. I will also I'll also give you a message from the cards. I'll put the timestamp in the description section. Oh, look how cute. I love baby Ganesha. Drive. Wow, look at the sparkle. Spiritual practice. Protection. Wow, look at the red color, root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra. I hope you saw this card properly. Throat chakra, third eye chakra, crown chakra. Lovely, lovely. Look at the purple color. Lovely. Perseverance. Positive outlook. Priorities. Decision. Steadfastness. Guidance. Oh, lovely look. Shiva, Vishnu, Brahma. The Trinity. Capacity to love. Personal transformation. Healing. Lovely. Cultivation. No, Joe, look at this card. Isn't it beautiful? Acceptance. Acceptance. How cute. Spiritual quest. Belongingness. Belonging. Okay. Achievement. Or Riddhi Siddhi. Innocence. Blessing. It's a very beautiful card. See, 44, number 44, and blessings. Prosperity. Splendor. Lovely. Joy. Divine support. Relaxation. And courage. Lovely, lovely. So now I will give you a message from this deck. The timestamps I have posted below in the description column, so you can directly go there and see. Okay, so dear God, Goddess, please, Lord Ganesha, please give a message to the viewers of this video. Message for people who choose pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Okay, so we have 3 piles: pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. So all you need to do is you just need to say, Lord Ganesha, which pile should I pick, and then see which is attracting you the most. Okay, so let's see pile 1, positive outlook. So this particular card is telling, what I'm getting is, guys, you know, that some of you used to do something about Lord Ganesha which you're not able to do right now because of certain issues. Okay, and you feel a little bit bad about it. So Lord Ganesha is saying that for him your love is enough. Even if you're not able to offer flowers or do what you were doing before, it's completely all right. I'm also getting that if you have a positive outlook, you will be able to conquer the world. I'm also getting a message from this particular card that use both your subconscious and conscious mind to create miracles in your life. I'm also feeling that you need to listen to your intuition, at the same time be practical as well. I also feel that some of you have either offered a white flower or a red flower, which Lord Ganesha has loved. Also in your, some of you, okay, this is a general reading, guys. So some of you in your dreams have seen an elephant or a Lord Ganesha. So he is telling that, you know, he is with you. And some of you are also chanting Om a lot. So Lord Ganesha is telling you to continue with your chanting of Om. That will really help you to build your mindset in a positive way. What else? So yes, the Lord Ganesha is saying that you need to be positive about your life. You cannot, you know, hold on to what has gone wrong. There is no point in crying over things which are in the past, and there is no point in worrying about the future. Stay in the present, be positive, have a positive mindset, and focus on what is working for you rather than focusing on what is not working for you. I also feel that, you know, you are a multi-talented person, so you need to use your skill set and create more opportunities for yourself. And I also feel that some of you, okay, are either connected to Panchmukhi Hanuman in some way, or you listen something about Panchmukhi Hanuman. So Lord Ganesha is saying continue to do that. That will really help you in the long run. Okay, that's for pile 1. Now let's see what pile I'm seeing. It's just a card. So for group 2, okay, your card is protection. Lovely. Oh my God. So guys, you know, you have been lately having some sort of nightmares, or you have been constantly feeling that there's something wrong. All right, so you may be having dreams that you're falling from a cliff, or somebody is running behind you. So this particular card is telling you that you are protected. There is no need to worry. You need a little bit of grounding. So if possible, walk on walk bare feet. That will really help. Also I feel that I feel that you are in some sort of transition. All right, and you are a little bit worried about this transformation. You're kind of worrying that I am in midst of this transition. Where is this leading me to? So Lord Ganesha is saying that, you know, you are moving on to better times. So do not worry. From worst, you're moving towards good times. So you're in between right now, and he is there to protect you. He's saying that he will not let you fall. He will be there with you, ensuring that everything is taken care of. Just you need to have some faith. Also I feel that he is downpouring a lot of wisdom which you need to listen to. if you're going to be constantly worrying about about security, then you are, if you're going to be constantly anxious, then you won't be able to hear him out. So Lord Ganesha is telling you that hear him out, because he is talking to you via his inner wisdom. Okay, now let's see message for all those people who chose this particular third. Inner knowing. I somehow knew this card is going to show up. I just don't know why. All right. So Lord Ganesha is saying that yes, you are. You just feel like leaving everything and just moving out. There's so much of chaos right now happening around you, or perhaps you are confused about something. So Lord Ganesha is telling you that you need not be so confused. All right, you are a very wise being. You know exactly what you need to do, how you need to do, where you need to do. So Lord Ganesha is saying that you need to be calm, you need to be composed. There will be help available. Just ask for it, and there will be a lot of ideas, all right, that Lord Ganesha is going to downpour to you. So listen to those ideas. Then don't, rather than looking outside, Lord Ganesha is asking you to look within, because all the answers that you are seeking are within. I feel that group 3, your claircognizance skills are very high, which means that you clearly know things. All right, we have different clairs. So one of the clairs is claircognizance, which means clear knowing. So you just know things in your heart and you don't know how you know it. Okay, so you have that skill pretty strongly. If you are not aware of it, you need to start tapping into it, becoming more aware of it, because your clear knowingness is going to really help you to come out of this. I also feel that this particular group helps animals in some way or the other, which is very endearing to Lord Ganesha, and he's blessing you with it. So group 3, this is your message. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this beautiful Lord Ganesha deck. And if you like this particular unboxing, do write in the comment section what did you like about this deck, how the message resonated with you. Also do like and subscribe to my channel. In case if you want me to do unboxing of a particular deck, do write in the comment section which deck you would like me to unbox, and I will see if that's possible for me. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Bye.